Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add golden effect on VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this, in here you just click on the all effect at the bottom. This one, click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the beat. Click on it, and then in here you can see golden, so you just click on it. And now in here you can see the golden effect 1 until 5. You can choose the golden effect that you want. In here, this one, the golden effect 2. This is the golden effect 4, and this is the golden effect 5. But in here I want to use the golden effect 2, so you just click on the 2, and then in here you just click on done and finish. So that's how to add golden effect on VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.